Good evening, everyone. First, you should know that my heart is beating at 120 kilometers per hour. So if I just knock out and lay on the floor, just never mind and keep on moving with the other speeches. So once again, good evening, everyone. At first, I didn't have a clue about what I was going to speak to you about in my speech today. And while I was thinking about it, I took a look out of my window on a Sunday evening. It was freezing, and there was a violent thunderstorm that gave me shivers down my spine. There was also a lot of rain. So the answer was right in front of me, and after I had realized it, I decided to choose the climate changes to be a topic for my speech today. Not only a choice I've made, but also a responsibility I had on my shoulders. That being said, we should all know that climate changes are no longer a simple anticipation, but it's a fact we're witnessing nowadays, something that's literally threatening our survival on Earth among the years. And yes, we do have scientific proofs of the fact that these climate changes have already begun to occur. For instance, global temperature has risen by 0.6 degrees for the past 130 years. Now, these numbers may seem insignificant to a number of you, but believe me, it's a very alarming change and a serious danger we're facing and that we have created with our own hands. Some of you may also be thinking, just skip the scientific parts and spare us the details, just get to the point. But believe me, these scientific proofs we have are so crucial so that we can understand how deep we're involved and how deep this problem is. So, the numbers also tell us that humans have been dumping massive quantities of carbon dioxide that led over the time to its concentration at a percentage of 30% since the Industrial Revolution. Because of these severe climate changes, the sun rays can no longer escape from the Earth's atmosphere, but instead it's trapped in it, causing a dramatic rise in the Earth's temperature. This phenomenon is also known as the global warming. One of the other main consequences of these climate changes is the sea level rises. The scientists have predicted that countries with low sea level could completely disappear. And they have predicted that countries like Bangladesh could indeed vanish if the sea level rises with only 1 meter. So as I said, first we have to be aware of the impact of these climate changes, but also willing to make a change. And there are so many ways to do that. We could use, for example, renewable energies, solar power, wind power, hydraulic, geothermal, and so many other options we could apply as an alternative to fossil fuels. Frankly, how many of you have driven somewhere while you could have just walked from there? Simple actions like these could make a huge difference. So stop saying my hands are tied, because they're not. We must step up all together to prevent other climate changes from happening. These climate changes that are jeopardizing, as I said, our survival on Earth among the years. And let's contribute all together to save our planet from vanishing while we still can. Thank you.